Hi, I'm Bill.
Hi, I'm Lori, and welcome to our channel.
So we're burning some buns here.
We're
have
toasting them.
some whole wheat hamburger buns. So what are we doing today, Lori?
We're making a smash burgers.
Okay. And all right. So I put this back in to heat it back
No,
up.
I think we could just put the
Okay.
meat right on.
All right. So why don't you put the?
Okay, we have just do two at a time. So I have two 2-ounce balls of ground meat. And we have an aluminum pot. I mean, we have a heavy pot coated with aluminum foil. Let me just let it come out. Okay. Okay.
Oh, move that over a little bit. Okay, we'll smash it there. All right. And now we smash. That's one. That's
Okay,
two.
good.
All right.
And this should only take a few minutes to cook.
And we have our Ooni Koda 16 on high. And did we say what we're making?
We're making smash burgers. We did. Take two.
Say that again towards the camera.
We're making smash burgers. Take two.
Take two. Yeah, last time we made smash burgers was our first time, and that was in November. So we were kind of hungry. We had some ground beef, and we said, why not? Let's do it. Okay, so now
It looks like they're almost ready to be turned over.
I'm putting my gloves on, Lori, so you're going to have to do everything after that. I'll just handle the
smashing.
in and out of the...
Okay.
Okay, you want me to take it out?
Mm-hmm.
Just move a little to the side.
Okay.
Okay, I'll put it back in. So this is a really simple meal, and it's our lunchtime. So
Yeah, it's cooking really fast in the Ooni Koda 16.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah, with our new camera setup, I gotta help Lori understand when she talks, she needs to be looking at the camera in the center, and then when I need to get over to the oven, then you need to move out of the way. But then you need to move back in. So anyway, we'll get
Okay.
it.
I think they're probably ready.
You think they're done? Okay, you move a little bit this way. I'll
Okay.
move this way. So, you know, when they invent video where you can get the aroma of what somebody's cooking, wouldn't that be great?
Yeah.
Because these smell really good. Okay, this going in?
Well, if you want to melt the cheese.
Do we want to melt the cheese?
Okay, all right.
We'll melt it a little bit. I don't think it's going to take very long. We'll give it a little bit of a melt. Yeah, and I think that's about enough.
Okay.
So that's our melt.
Okay.
All right.
So I made a little sauce with just some mayonnaise and ketchup, which I like.
Notice.
And Bill doesn't.
Yeah, notice Lori said that she likes. I am not big on these type of sauces. I do like relish, you know, with, what is it, pickle relish?
Yeah, he likes pickle relish.
So.
Some tomato. I like onion.
I like onion.
Well, you do it. I always
Yeah,
got
I
the
do.
impression that you didn't care for
No.
it.
So am I putting this back in after you take those two off?
No, I think they're just ready to eat.
Oh, and then we'll just eat in front of everybody and say goodbye?
Yep.
Okay, well good, this is a quick video.
But we can also show that you can use it already smashed.
And since it is a quick video, I forgot to mention, we now have a Facebook private group called 12th Avenue Cuisine Insiders. We had a business page, that was the wrong way for us to go. So if you'd like to continue the conversation and kind of see what's being planned for upcoming videos, why not join 12th Avenue Cuisine Insiders? It's a private group on Facebook. All right, what are we doing now?
You want us to put in the other one, or should we just have a taste?
We'll have a taste. I'm going to move this just over onto underneath here.
Okay.
And we'll leave that there. And all right, this is the part of the video where we got to take some pictures. So Lori, why don't you hold that up and hold the plate up, and I'm going to get
All right.
another smash burger. Oh, I was a little crooked. Let me. All right, and then let me just get my other camera.
Okay.
And I'll get out a little bit in front here. And if you could point it this way, sweetie.
Okay.
And then one of you holding it.
Okay. Oh, holding the
No,
hammer.
no, no.
Oh.
Yeah, just like you were. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. All right, let's cut that thing or take a bite.
Let's take a bite. I didn't bring a knife out.
All right,
so
we'll just take a bite.
let's see. Mmm. Whoa. You know, the meat caramelizes so quickly, you really don't even need extra salt or pepper, I think.
Right.
So what do you think? On a whole wheat bun.
Again, we're trying to be healthier in 2022, so I have to move to whole wheat. I always liked white bread, but I'm changing. It's fantastic, and your sauce is really good.
Oh, well, thank
I mean,
you.
it is a good sauce.
Just simple.
Have
So-
another bite.
I was wondering, you want to...
And the other thing is, this is very simple to put together. It doesn't take a lot of effort. If you got your dual-sided Grizzler plate, it helps. And the cleanup is very easy. I had the dual-sided Grizzler in the oven for about 15 minutes, maybe, before we took it out to toast the buns and then put the hamburgers on. So that whole buns and make the hamburgers 5-6 minutes, I think. You know,
Yeah.
It's really a quick.
I don't even know if it was that long.
Yeah, well, we'll look at the tape afterwards, but all right. So what do we want to say before we wrap
Well,
things
I
up?
just want to say that I don't know if you need to start with balls. I just did these kind of pre-smashed. It might be easier to smash down. But they're delicious. I've been craving a cheeseburger.
And this is very, very tasty. Again, second time we've made smash burgers. I think it's the third or fourth time we've made cheeseburgers on our channel. Cheeseburgers and steaks are very popular on this channel for some reason, as are the pizzas. But all right, well, we should be wrapping things up. Anything you want to say?
No, just you give it a try.
Yeah.
Just takes minutes, especially if you have a lot of guests that cook so fast.
Yeah, I think if you were entertaining, this would be a really, and you know, they were not vegans.
Definitely not.
It would be a good choice, but I guess there's always Beyond Meat. Maybe we should try a Beyond Meat smash burger, but maybe that's something for the future. All right, and just want to mention quickly, likes are what drives the channels. It really helps us get visibility on our videos, so if you like the video, please put that extra effort in to give it a like. We have our Amazon links in the description of each of our videos, so if you're an Amazon shopper, you use one of our links and you purchase something when it's one of our items or something else you were interested in, we do get some affiliate marketing credit. And again, we have created 12th Avenue Cuisine Insiders on Facebook. We've been dying to hear from you and see what you're doing. So there's an opportunity. You can post images, videos, whatever you want to do, ask questions. So we hope you'll consider joining us on there. And we'll also do some after video recaps and post it up there. That the content would only be there, those type of things. So, all right, I think we've covered everything. So again, if you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. As always,
Like, share, and subscribe.
thank you for dropping in to check out our video. Other than that,
See you next time.
see you next time.